Kareena Kapoor and Saif Ali Khan have been blessed with a baby boy on Sunday. Kareena delivered her second baby at the city's Breach Candy Hospital in the early hours of February 21. As per reports, she was admitted to hospital a few hours before delivery. In August last year, Kareena Kapoor had announced her second pregnancy with a statement issued jointly along with husband Saif. The statement read, "We are very pleased to announce that we are expecting an addition to our family. Thank you to all our well-wishers for all their love and support, Saif and Kareena." This is the couple's second child after son Taimur Ali Khan, who was born on December 20, 2016. Saif and Kareena tied the knot on October 16, 2012. On the acting front, Kareena will next be seen alongside Aamir Khan in his forthcoming film Lal Singh Chaddha. INS report.
Actress Vidya Balan has shared a picture posing with former World Wrestling Entertainment Champion Dalip Singh Rana, popular as the Great Khali. Finally, the big girl looks small with the Great Khali, she captioned the picture she posted on Instagram stories. Vidya did not share details on why she met the wrestler. The actress was last seen in the last year's digitally released film Shakuntala Devi, tracing the life of mathematician Shakuntala Devi, who was also known as the human computer. Also featuring Sanya Malhotra and Jishu Sen Gupta, the film is directed by Anu Menon. Salman Khan is one of the biggest superstars of Bollywood. The actor was recently clicked by the paparazzi outside a dubbing studio in Mumbai's Bandra area. As always, the dubbing star kept his look casual. Salman chose denim and t-shirt for the day. On the acting front, Salman's new film Radhe Your Most Wanted Bhai is directed by Prabhu Deva. The film also features Disha Patni, Randeep Hooda and Jackie Shroff in pivotal roles. Salman will also be seen in Antim The Final Truth. The film also stars Salman's brother-in-law Ayush Sharma. Siddharth Malhotra Kiara Advani starrer Sher Shah will hit theatres on July 2. Siddharth took to his Instagram account to share the news. Sher Shah chronicles the story of Kargil war hero Paramveer Chakra Captain Vikram Batra, who sacrificed his life for the nation in 1999. In the film, backed by Karan Johar's Dharma Productions, Siddharth plays Captain Batra, who laid down his life in the service of the nation while recapturing Indian territories from Pakistani intruders during the Kargil War of 1999. Sher Shah marks Tamil filmmaker Vishnu Vardhan's directorial debut in Bollywood. Actor Ajaz Khan's Bigg Boss 14 journey came to an abrupt end when he had to leave the reality show midway due to his professional commitments, and even though he had finished his commitment, he could not enter the Bigg Boss house.
6 तारीख को मेरा काम ख़त्म हो गया. उसके बाद अगर मैं क्वारंटीन में जाता और फिर गेम के अंदर जाता, मुझे बहुत खुशी होती, लेकिन शायद प्रैक्टिकल नहीं था. शायद बाकी सब तो आपको मेकर्स ही बताएंगे क्या हुआ. और मैं उस बात को लेके बहुत हर्ट था बहुत दिनों के लिए. मैंने मीडिया से भी बात नहीं की, किसी से बात नहीं की, लेकिन आई हैव टू मूव ऑन. मैं बिग बॉस के फॉर्मेट को बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ, बहुत प्यार करता हूँ. बिग बॉस ने मुझे एक नई ज़िंदगी दी है, अपने आप को समझने का मौका दिया है, मुझे प्यार मिला है. इनका ही नहीं, मुझे लाखों करोड़ों लोगों का प्यार मिला है जो मैं सर आँखों पे रखता हूँ. इतनी इज्जत मिली है, इतना प्यार मिला है. अभी भी मुझे मैसेजेस आते हैं, अभी भी लोग इतना कहते हैं कि अगर आप जाते तो आप विनर हो सकते थे, आप फाइनलिस्ट हो सकते थे. हम लोग दोनों ने बहुत मेहनत की थी और मुझे लगता है हम लोग दोनों फाइनलिस्ट होना डिज़र्व करते थे, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली नहीं हुआ। कोई बात नहीं। जो मेकर्स हैं वो भी बहुत सेंसिबल हैं, उन्होंने भी जो भी डिसीजन लिया है सोच समझ के लिया होगा, शो के बेनिफिट को मद्देनजर रखते हुए लिया होगा, तो देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम इन दैट।
Said Ejaz, who was present at a radio show event with his lady love Pavitra Punia. Ejaz also addressed his relationship with co-contestant Pavitra. He said,
सो आपसे जानना चाहूंगी, एक दूसरे को जानने के लिए बिग बॉस के घर में जो 2 महीने आपने बिताया, जितना टाइम बिताया वो काफी था एक ये फैसला लेना कि हाँ ये रियल लव है ऐसा?
बिल्कुल।
कभी कभी ऐसे होता है ना, आप 2 साल भी एक इंसान के साथ बिताओ, आप श्योर नहीं होते, लेकिन 2 दिन में भी आपको पता लग जाता है। तो मैंने आई थिंक एक एपिसोड में इनसे ये कहा था कि मेरा आपको देखने का नज़रिया अब बदल रहा है।
the grand finale of Big Boss will air on February 21. The top 5 finalists of the show are Rubina Dilek, Ali Goni, Nikki Tamboli, Rahul Vaidya and Rakhi Sawant.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.